Welcome to my video about the 10 best places to visit in Oregon 2023. Oregon is a breathtaking state that offers a wide range of attractions for visitors. From its mesmerizing landscapes to its delectable cuisine, Oregon has something to captivate everyone. Join us as we explore the 10 best places to visit in Oregon in 2023. Number 10. Crater Lake National Park. Our first stop takes us to Crater Lake National Park. This magnificent park is home to Crater Lake, which rests in the caldera of an ancient volcano. With its deep blue and crystal clear waters, Crater Lake is a sight to behold. Surrounded by towering cliffs, it provides an awe-inspiring experience for all who visit. Number 9. Multnomah Falls. Next, we venture to Multnomah Falls, one of the tallest waterfalls in Oregon. Nestled in the Columbia River Gorge, this majestic cascade attracts visitors with its stunning beauty. Hiking enthusiasts will relish the opportunity to explore the trails surrounding the falls, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Number 8. The Oregon Coast. Prepare to be enchanted by the captivating Oregon coast. Stretching along the Pacific Ocean, it boasts picturesque beaches, dramatic cliffs, and abundant wildlife. From swimming and surfing to hiking and whale watching, the Oregon coast offers an array of activities for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Number 7. Portland. Our journey now takes us to Portland, the vibrant heart of Oregon. Known for its renowned coffee culture, thriving microbreweries, and eclectic food scene, Portland is a culinary haven. Immerse yourself in the city's bustling downtown, explore its numerous parks, or visit its world-class museums and art galleries. Number 6. Mount Hood. Rising majestically in the Cascade Mountains, Mount Hood beckons outdoor enthusiasts throughout the year. In the winter, it transforms into a popular ski resort, while in the summer, it invites hikers to explore its trails and revel in breathtaking panoramas. Mount Hood promises unforgettable experiences in every season. Number 5. Bend. Our next stop is the captivating city of Bend, located in central Oregon. Outdoor activities abound in this natural playground, from hiking and biking to fishing in pristine rivers and lakes. Bend is also renowned for its vibrant craft brewery scene, making it a perfect destination for beer enthusiasts. Number 4. the Columbia River Gorge. Experience the awe-inspiring beauty of the Columbia River Gorge, a scenic wonderland straddling the Oregon-Washington border. Adorned with enchanting waterfalls, towering cliffs, and lush forests, the gorge offers endless opportunities for hiking, biking, and camping amidst its breathtaking vistas. Number 3. The Willamette Valley. The picturesque Willamette Valley awaits, nestled in western Oregon's embrace. Famous for its fertile lands, this region is home to numerous wineries, breweries, and farms. Wine connoisseurs will delight in the valley's exquisite vineyards, while outdoor enthusiasts can indulge in hiking and biking adventures along its scenic trails. Number 2. Craters of the Moon National Monument. Traveling to south-central Oregon, we discover the captivating craters of the Moon National Monument. This unique landscape features vast lava flows, cinder cones, and intriguing caves. Visitors can explore this otherworldly terrain on foot or by car, unraveling the mysteries of this volcanic wonder. Number 1. The Oregon Dunes National Recreation Area. Our final destination takes us to the Oregon Dunes National Recreation Area, located along the mesmerizing Oregon coast. Towering sand dunes await adventure seekers, inviting them to participate in sandboarding, hiking, and camping amidst this remarkable natural playground. These are just a few of the many remarkable places to visit in Oregon. With its awe-inspiring scenery, delectable cuisine, and warm hospitality, Oregon is a captivating destination throughout the year. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a culture seeker, or a food lover, Oregon offers a myriad of experiences to satisfy every traveler's wanderlust. So why wait? Start planning your unforgettable journey to Oregon today. If you liked the video, give a like to the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.